Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
Today feels different already.
Yes, today we are not just visiting places.
Then what are we doing?
We are opening a travel notebook in Fukushima.
A travel notebook? That sounds gentle and personal.
Exactly. In this lesson, we will collect colors, feelings, and simple English phrases.
So Fukushima is not just one story.
That is the main idea. Fukushima has castles, lakes, mountains, old villages, fruit, hot springs, and the sea.
I like that. It sounds like a journey with many pages.
Please listen slowly, read the subtitles, and imagine the scenes.
You can repeat after us, or just relax and listen.
Today, let's discover Fukushima through a travel notebook.
Let's turn the first page.
Our first page begins in Aizu Wakamatsu.
I can see a beautiful white castle.
This is Tsuruga Castle, a symbol of Aizu.
A symbol of Aizu. Let me write that down.
Good phrase. Let me write that down.
Let me write that down.
When you want to remember something, this phrase is very useful.
The castle feels quiet but strong.
That is a beautiful sentence. The castle feels quiet, but strong.
The castle feels quiet but strong.
Instead of saying only beautiful, you can describe a feeling.
So I can say, this place makes me feel calm.
Yes, this place makes me feel calm.
This place makes me feel calm.
In our notebook, the first color is white.
White for the castle walls and for a quiet morning. Emily, can I ask a quiet question?
Of course. What is it?
How do I talk about history in simple English?
You can start with, I want to learn the story behind this place.
I want to learn the story behind this place.
Very natural. Behind this place means the history or meaning connected to it.
I want to learn the story behind this castle.
Excellent. You do not need difficult words to sound thoughtful.
Thoughtful. That is a nice word.
Thoughtful means careful, kind, and thinking deeply.
This castle makes me thoughtful.
Good. Let's write that sentence in the notebook.
This castle makes me thoughtful.
The second note is not a color. It is a feeling.
A quiet feeling.
Now, let's turn the page to Ouchi-juku.
This village looks like a storybook.
Great sentence. This village looks like a storybook.
This village looks like a storybook.
Storybook means a book with stories, often with warm or magical images.
I did not expect to see a place like this.
Excellent. I did not expect to see a place like this.
I did not expect to see a place like this.
I did not expect means it was a surprise.
It feels old, but alive.
That is very good English. It feels old, but alive.
It feels old, but alive.
Let's add a new phrase. It feels like stepping back in time.
It feels like stepping back in time.
In the notebook, Ouchi-juku is the color of warm brown wood.
Warm brown. That fits this village.
The next page opens beside Lake Inawashiro.
Wow, the lake is much wider than I imagined.
Good. The lake is much wider than I imagined.
The lake is much wider than I imagined.
This phrase is useful when something is bigger, better, or more beautiful than you expected.
The sky feels open here.
Nice. The sky feels open here.
The sky feels open here.
Open can mean not closed, but it can also describe a wide, free feeling.
This place gives me space to breathe.
That is a deeper sentence. This place gives me space to breathe.
This place gives me space to breathe.
In our notebook, Lake Inawashiro is blue.
Blue for water, sky, and a quiet heart.
Now we walk into the forest near Goshiki-numa.
The watercolor is almost unreal.
Good phrase. Almost unreal means so beautiful or strange that it feels like a dream.
The watercolor is almost unreal.
Here, you can practice noticing details.
Noticing details. I like that.
I notice different colors in the water.
I notice different colors in the water.
Notice means to see or become aware of something.
I notice blue, green, and a little silver.
Beautiful. That is more vivid than just saying nice.
Vivid means bright and clear, right?
Exactly. Goshiki-numa is vivid and quiet.
In the notebook, this page has many colors.
The next page takes us toward Mount Bandai.
The road seems to climb into the sky.
That is a great travel sentence.
The road seems to climb into the sky.
Seems to means it looks like something is happening.
The mountains seem to change every minute.
Very natural. Weather and light can change mountain scenery quickly.
I want to stop and take in the view.
Nice phrase. Take in the view means to look slowly and enjoy it.
I want to take in the view.
In our notebook, this page feels like deep green.
Green for mountains, wind, and a fresh mind.
After the mountains, let's rest at a hot spring inn.
That sounds perfect. My feet need a break.
Good everyday phrase. My feet need a break.
My feet need a break.
When you are tired, you can say, I need a break.
I need a break, but I am happy.
That is honest and natural.
The warm water helps me relax.
Excellent. The warm water helps me relax.
The warm water helps me relax.
Help me relax is useful in many situations.
Soft music helps me relax.
A quiet room helps me relax.
In the notebook, this page is warm orange. Emily, this page smells delicious.
Then we must be in Kitakata.
Is this Kitakata ramen?
Yes, let's practice food English in a natural way.
I do not want to say only delicious again and again.
Good idea. You can say, the noodles are chewy.
The noodles are chewy.
Chewy means you need to bite a little more.
The soup has a gentle flavor.
Excellent. Gentle flavor means not too strong, but pleasant.
The soup has a gentle flavor.
You can also say, this bowl is comforting.
This bowl is comforting.
Comforting means it makes you feel warm and safe.
In the notebook, this page is golden.
Golden for warm soup and a happy stomach. Now the notebook smells sweet.
Are we in a peach orchard?
Yes, Fukushima is often connected with delicious fruit, especially peaches.
I want to describe fruit better in English.
Try this. The peach is juicy and sweet.
The peach is juicy and sweet.
Juicy means full of juice.
The smell reminds me of summer.
Beautiful. Reminds me of means it makes me remember something.
The smell reminds me of summer.
That sentence feels like a memory, not just a description.
I like that. English can carry memories.
In the notebook, this page is peach pink.
Peach pink. Easy to remember.
Next, our notebook turns toward the sea in Iwaki.
The sea gives this trip a different feeling.
Good sentence. The sea gives this trip a different feeling.
The sea gives this trip a different feeling.
Here, we can learn the phrase a wider story.
A wider story means there is more to understand, right?
Exactly. Fukushima has a wider story than many people first imagine.
That is important.
You can say, I want to see the wider story.
I want to see the wider story.
This is simple but thoughtful English.
The sea makes me think about time.
That is a poetic sentence.
In the notebook, this page is ocean blue. Emily, some places carry difficult memories.
Yes, and when we travel, we should be respectful.
How can I say that in simple English?
You can say, I want to learn with respect.
I want to learn with respect.
Very good. Respect means thinking carefully about people, places, and memories.
I want to learn with respect.
Another useful sentence is, I do not want to judge too quickly.
I do not want to judge too quickly.
This kind of English is useful for real conversations.
It feels honest.
Yes, sometimes simple English can be very honest.
In the notebook, this page is quiet gray.
Quiet gray with a little light. Now we are near the end of the notebook.
I thought Fukushima would be one simple lesson.
And now?
Now, I think it is many lessons in one place.
Great sentence. It is many lessons in one place.
It is many lessons in one place.
Let's practice. It turns out.
It turns out Fukushima is full of different stories.
Excellent. It turns out means you learned something new or different from what you expected.
It turns out Fukushima is full of different stories.
What did you learn from this trip?
I learned to look more slowly.
That is a wonderful travel habit.
Look more slowly. I will write that on the last page.
Now, let's review today's notebook phrases.
Okay, this review feels different today.
Number 1. Let me write that down.
Let me write that down.
Number 2. This place makes me feel calm.
This place makes me feel calm.
Number 3. I want to learn the story behind this place.
I want to learn the story behind this place.
Number 4. It feels like stepping back in time.
It feels like stepping back in time.
Number 5. This place gives me space to breathe.
This place gives me space to breathe.
Number 6. I notice different colors in the water.
I notice different colors in the water.
Number 7. I want to take in the view.
I want to take in the view.
Number 8. This bowl is comforting.
This bowl is comforting.
Number 9. The smell reminds me of summer.
The smell reminds me of summer.
Number 10. I want to learn with respect.
I want to learn with respect.
Bonus phrase. It turns out Fukushima is full of different stories.
It turns out Fukushima is full of different stories.
Great job. These phrases can be used in many real conversations.
I will keep them in my travel notebook.
Today, we traveled through Fukushima with a notebook.
We visited Aizu, Tsuruga Castle, Ouchi-juku, Lake Inawashiro, Goshiki-numa, Mount Bandai, hot springs, Kitakata, fruit orchards, and the sea in Iwaki.
But more than places, we collected feelings.
Calm, surprise, respect, warmth, and wonder.
That is a beautiful summary.
Fukushima was many colors in one journey.
Please listen again and repeat your favorite phrases.
And if you travel, try writing your own notebook in English.
What place should we visit next?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.